my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to talk to you guys, just kind of give you an update on my hair and where it's at from last year. So this summer I cut off like a good amount of hair, maybe like overall I probably ended up cutting almost 2 inches of hair off. I cut a little bit on camera, and then off camera I get really like scissor happy and I cut way more hair off camera. Yeah, I was just really frustrated with my hair at that point because it wasn't as thick as it could be, like as it typically is. And at that point my hair was like, it seemed like something, of course something had happened with me. I had a child, and my hair grew, like it flourished. And then once I had Isaiah, of course my edges broke off, but my hair was still fine. And then like a year later, like not this year, in 2018, the beginning of 2018, it was good, January, February, March. And then kind of after March, like April, May, June, it just went like completely crazy. What I can describe it as just like a drop off. It's just like being thick and then like dropping off. And it wasn't that and it would be like a good amount of hair. I'm not talking about the ends. It's like a good amount of hair that was left. But it was just really weird to me. I didn't really have split ends. I kept my trims up. I deep conditioned. I slacked a little bit at that time as well. So it was partly my fault too. I had also noticed that my nails, excuse my nails y'all, I have this like one nail on each finger that I just refuse to cut, and they're so dirty. Ew, yeah, I'm sorry. I had also noticed that my nails were not growing, and these are my natural nails. So what I did was up my iron, I upped my water intake, I cut my hair, and then I just kind of really paid attention to that. Now during the months of October, November, December, actually starting with September, October, November, December, I actually stopped kind of washing my hair. I know it sounds gross, but let me kind of explain why. September, I went from washing my hair, like even co-washing, like maybe like 4 times, like every week pretty much, to just doing that like twice a month, like doing 2 washes that month and then with a co-wash. And then October, my back was really hurting really bad, and then I put mini twist in, I believe in October, and I went to Dallas. I had Bruno Mars concert, and then I think other stuff was going on, and so I kept my mini twist in for an entire month just about, and I didn't wash my hair the entire month. And that was not on purpose, it just kind of happened that way. I just couldn't find the time. I didn't feel like it. My back was hurting. It was just, you know, and I didn't pay attention to it either. It just wasn't on my mind to wash my hair. And then I was like, I kind of like this. I noticed like a difference, you know. I kind of started to notice a difference in September with cutting down on wash days and all that kind of stuff. And then October, the end of October going into November, I noticed a huge difference as well. And I was like, there may be something to this. But yeah, so I figured there's something like to what I was doing, so I just kept at it. And in November I purposely did not wash my hair, whatever, and I left it in mini twist, or maybe I did cornrows. I don't really remember what style I had it in, but purposely didn't wash my hair then, and purposely only washed my hair last month in December. And let me tell you guys, that was probably the best 3 months my hair like that just needed. You know, that was exactly what my hair needed, was just a break. For me, I don't really use tools in my hair. It's very rare that I will use a comb of any sort. I use my Denman brush mainly to smooth, detangle, whatever. It's just better for me because I can feel the snags, the tangles, of this and that with my hands. I can't feel it with the comb. So I just kind of let combs and all that stuff go. So it seemed like this. Even though I protective style often because I wear nothing but wigs, my hair was not where I thought it should have been. And I was like, something else is wrong. So I was like, maybe it's missing the moisture. I'm not, you know, putting any oil on my scalp, no scalp massages. I'm not doing any of that, because only protective styling is not gonna cut it. You know, you have to do a little bit more than that. Not much more, but a little bit more. So my hair definitely thrived, and like I grew those inches back and then some, and I could definitely feel the difference as well. Is it as thick as it once was? No, it's not. It's not. Is it going to be? I'm not really sure, but that's something that I'm gonna keep working on no matter what, is the thickness. I started taking vitamins again too. I did go to the doctor just to make sure, just for my regular checkup, not my gynecologist, like your regular family doctor, and all's well with my health. Everything is in perfect condition. It's great condition. I do have blood pressure problems, and I am anemic, but that is under control. I'm good so far with that. I'm not really having any problems. So yeah, that's kind of where I am now. It has grown a lot. I struggle with my hairline, my nape all the way around, and that's just something that I've accepted. I'm never going to have a thick hairline. That doesn't really run in my family either. And I think that's something else we have to start looking at, is that there's so many, when I see videos on Instagram or whatever, and people call out people with, you know, thin edges or whatever, I'm just kind of like, you guys, hide your edges. You know, are they, nobody is going to have, not everyone is going to have really thick edges or really thick hair, or my hair is not gonna look like naturals, or my hair is not gonna look like this person and that person's. You know what I mean? Everybody is different. And so I think that's something we have to really think about and really watch what we say too, because you don't know everything that person has been through, the stress that they're going through. You just got to keep that in mind and just be nicer. You know, let's just be nicer in 2019. It's not that hard to be kind. But anyways, that's kind of where I'm at with my hair and what I will be doing. I hope to bring you guys a lot more natural hair videos. So thumbs up this video if you would like more natural hair videos, because there's just not that many out there. You definitely need more. But anyways, if you guys want to see just how I'll be styling my hair, because I do plan on wearing my hair, my natural hair, more often in 2019 than I did in 2018. Now, as far as products goes, I'm still on a product, what's the word? When they have signs and stuff and they're like, I'm not, no more of this, no more, what the heck is that called? And I feel like I got my sign and I'm just like, no more. Oh, protest. Yeah, so I'm still protesting. I'm not even protesting. I don't know why I just had to go through all that. But I'm still not really in the mood to buy any natural hair products. What I have in my stash is just fine. I'm just gonna go in there and use what I have. Also, I'm really not wanting to buy what's at the stores either. Unless someone can make me a believer of something, then please do tell me something awesome to buy for a wash and go, because that ain't happening on this 4C hair. I do not foresee that. I don't care how many videos I watch that say 4C hair can do anything. I don't foresee it in my future. Maybe if someone did it for me, yes. However, I will still give it a go. I will still give it a try and all that kind of stuff. I think that's it, you guys. I just wanted to kind of catch you up, give you guys just a look into how I have been doing my hair, my wash days, make 2019 a lot simpler for you, and you know, find out your focus, what you want to focus on with your hair, and attack that. And don't spend all your day washing your hair. It's not that simple. You need to cleanse it, you need to moisturize it, you need to get the hell out of there and go live your life. Not spend all Sunday in the freaking house, in the bathroom with Kroger bags and plastic bags on your head watching Netflix. We got a whole life to live. So That's my spiel. Anyways, that's it, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and hush and let you finish watching the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video right now, or if you want more natural hair talk videos, this and that. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.